Ivane, šere nam to u HD-u. I u kameru gdje skupa. Konja ima sad.
We arrived in Slovenia maybe about 10 minutes ago, and our first stop we saw a huge waterfall. So Trey looked it up on all trails. It's only a little less than 2 miles to get there. So pack the backpack. Oh, less than 3?
Yes. This is 2.6. Surprisingly, I have service here.
2.6 miles. Is it round or is that just one way?
That's just one way.
Oh, it's a little bit more than what I thought it was going to be. 5 miles. Let me start that over again. So we arrived in Slovenia We arrived in Slovenia about 10 minutes ago, saw a sign for a waterfall, and then from the road we could actually see it. So we decided that might as well park the camper and pack the backpack. It's about, round trip, it's about a little less than 5 miles. So here we go. First hike in Slovenia. We're super excited. I'm super excited. This place is very pretty. We're still in the mountains. I think it's the whole mountain terrain.
Stop number 1. We have 2 more stops to go. Well, we were in here about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
just like that, we are back at the bottom, sweating. It's not even that hot out, but it is kind of humid. It's like perfect weather right now. What would you rate that? We only went to the second stop. You climb elevation very fast. There's some technical sections. Other than that, it wasn't too bad. I'd give it like a 7 to an 8.
What, on the must-see?
On the
Difficulty?
yeah, difficulty.
It was just very steep. If we were to, I'm sure, go all the way, it would have been difficult. Very.
Yeah.
I find that the altitude's already making it hard for me to breathe.
We only did the Boca Viewpoint Trail. There's a Boca Loop, and then there's like another Boca Trail that leads all the way up to the top of the waterfall, and it's rated as a moderate trail, but people are saying it's an extreme, which I can believe, because the trail that we were on was rated like a medium, and when you start climbing elevation, it does get pretty technical. It's kind of hard to follow because they gravelled the trail, and
It's very slick.
yeah, they gravelled the trail, so it's loose rocks, and the gravel has been washed out from the trail, so it can be hard to follow sometimes. They have little orange markings so you can kind of tell where you're going, but
Yeah, I don't think following it was that difficult. I think definitely going down, because it was so steep, you
yeah,
slide.
there's a couple spots that our feet slid out from underneath of us, and that's hard to avoid on that trail. So, but that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
That's it for Slovenia.